Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new 2026 Toyota Corolla LE CVT LE Upgrade, finished in midnight black metallic. The vehicle also is available in white, classic silver metallic, celestite, and blueprint. Starting off at the front here, we've got our LED headlights. Coming around to our 16-inch alloy wheels. Got blind spot detection in both of our side view mirrors. It's a little tricky to see on that black paint, but there we are. Coming along to the back, we have got our Corolla badging on this side, our LE badging on that side, our backup camera there. And under the hood of the Toyota Corolla LE Upgrade, we get a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 169 horsepower and 151 feet-pound of torque, delivered by a direct shift, continuously variable transmission and front-wheel drive. On the interior here, we've got storage in our door pockets, all of our window controls, child locks, and mirror functions. Also got auto beam headlights, our heated steering wheel, and our all-weather mats for those harsh Alberta winters, as well as this cozy cloth seating with the accenting you see there, manual seat adjustments, push button start here. We're just going to put it in ignition mode as we are in the showroom. Digital gauges up top there, all of our audio controls on this side, driving assists on this side. Get this 8-inch infotainment screen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with a backup camera as you see here. Got all of our different cabin air controls as well as our heated mirror function button there. Heated seats as well as our wireless charger there. USB-C charging port there. Traction control in front of the gear shifter. Got our cup holders and our electronic e-brake there. 12-volt outlet and another USB-C charging port there. Got all of our cabin lighting controls, SOS button, and our sunshade controls. And there is our sunroof. Stepping into the back of the vehicle here, we've got 2 more USB-C charging ports for the rear occupants, as well as fold-down cup holders between the rear seats. More storage in our door pockets there. Coming inside the trunk here, we have the summertime mats that come with the vehicle, as well as the front license plate mounting system there. See just how much cargo space you get here, which is quite ample in the back of a little sedan. And that has been the 2026 Toyota Corolla LE Upgrade. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.